The Quick-Change Collet provides a simple, tool-free accessory change that is 4 times faster than changing accessories with a traditional nut and collet. To install your accessory, first insert the bit. Depress and hold the spindle lock and turn the outer sleeve clockwise to tighten the inner collet on the bit until the clicking stops and you feel resistance. To remove your accessory, depress and hold the spindle lock and turn the outer sleeve counterclockwise to loosen the inner collet off the bit until you feel resistance. Remember, do not tighten or loosen the Quick-Change Collet without an accessory installed. To remove the Quick-Change Collet completely from the tool, depress the spindle lock and use a wrench on the bottom hexed area. Turn the collet counterclockwise to loosen and then unthread the collet by hand. To install the Quick-Change Collet onto the tool, depress and hold the spindle lock and thread the collet clockwise by hand until you feel resistance. Then use a wrench on the bottom hexed area to tighten. If you over-tighten or over-loosen the outer sleeve, depress and hold the spindle lock and use the wrench on the top hexed area of the collet in either direction. If your accessory is stuck in the collet while the collet is in the open position, simply tap the accessory in to offset the friction and remove.